Good, my people, let's make some money now, guys. As you can see right now on my wallet here, guys, I have 9,997.8 USDT, and guys, that's equivalent to guys 1,000,000 291,716 Kenyan shillings, guys. And on today's videos, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make such kind of money in your Binance account trading crypto arbitrage by simply buying low and selling high on another exchange, guys. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you follow and do exactly what I'm doing. And so, without wasting time, let's do this. But to start with, what is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage, guys, is simply buying one coin from one exchange. For example, you can see here, I have you have a 3,000. For example, let's say I go to trade here. I'll show you what crypto arbitrage is, and I want to buy. All right, I'll go to P2P here, and then I'll click on buy. That's on Binance, and I'll put amount I want to buy. For example, I want to buy USDT of 100, and you can see I will receive Kenyan shillings 13,519. Or in a very simple manner, I can show you on Expressway. Then I'll choose to use in USD. I'll choose USD here. Okay, and then I'll put amount I want to buy 100. You see, I'm going to receive 100.5 USDT. So that's 5 cents. The 5 cents are the profit that I receive, right? If I put 1,000, you see I'll receive 1,005.02. That's 5 USDT in profit, guys. So that's what we call crypto arbitrage. But on this video today, because Binance has the little profit ever doing crypto arbitrage, I'm not going to buy on Binance. I'm going to use an exchange called Trexbic.app, guys. All right. Let me show you what you need to do. You need to go to your web browser. Once you go to your browser, guys, you need to go and type Trexbic.app, and then it will open like that. Once it opens, it will redirect you to my Trexbic.com, which is very correct. And then, guys, you need to create an account here. You just need to sign up, put all your details here, and then you verify your KYC. After you've done that, guys, you can also click here to download the app, or you can also use the website. All right, so I hope that is done. That's how you access this exchange. So after you have created your account, the next step, guys, you log in. For example, for me here, I have already logged in, and you can see my account here, and I'm verified very well. And also on this exchange, you can also trade using trading bots. They are here. You can come and browse. You can also on this, you can also try trading with demo. Once you switch to demo, you can trade on demo, but you can't trade on demo using P2P. So you'll trade only using trading bots, and you test how it works. Right, so I'm going to switch to real account, and you can see on my real account I have 251.54. So I'm going to show you how now we will trade the crypto arbitrage and make the profit. So the next step, I'll click on these three dots here. I'll go to P2P market just like Binance, and I'll now click on buy. So I'm going to choose USDT, and I'll scroll down here to find the better price. You can see this vendor here is selling at 0.8. This one is selling at 0.9, 0.8, 0.9. So I'll choose just 0.8. I'll click on buy, and I'll put amount 1,000, for example. And you can see on 1,000 amount, I'm going to receive 10.95. So 95 is the profit that I'm going to receive. You see, on Binance I was getting 5 USDT, but here I'm getting 95 USDT. So that's the difference, guys. And then I'll click proceed with purchase. I'll click on pay, and I'll confirm. Right, So now I'm going to pay the vendor so that they can release the USDT. All right, so wait. So the order is now created. Now the next step, the instructions are here very carefully. Now we need to read the instruction. Send USDT TRC20 to this address. This is the address that they want us to pay to, and amount will be 1,000 USDT. Do not send below that. And also the trade details are here and everything. So the vendor is waiting for the payment. After you have sent the payment, you need to click I have paid, this button. Do not click I have paid if you have not really paid, because it will not work and you might get your account banned, guys. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. So now I'm going to send my payment to this address, and the amount will be 1,000, and then we proceed. So I'll copy this address like that, and I'll go back to my Binance here. I'll click on assets. All right, remember, you follow the instruction, click on assets, and I will now click on send, guys. Click on send, and then I'll click on withdraw assets, this one. All right, withdraw assets, and I'll choose now the USDT I have. All right, so now I'll choose a USDT. It's on spot. Yes, USDT is here. And now I'll put the address. I'll now paste the address that I have copied from that from the vendor. You can confirm the address is correct. And then I'll select the network is TRX. And then, guys, I'll click next, and I'll put amount 1,001.5. 1.5, guys, is for the network fee, because Binance will deduct a fee of 1.5. You can see it here, there. And next, guys, I'm going to click on withdraw, right? And I will now scroll this to the right to confirm. And guys, here I will have to hide my passkeys. So let me put my passkey password. Very nice. Put my passkey password, guys. Remember to always hide your passkeys for security purposes. And now you can see the withdrawal is now sent. At this level, guys, you do not need to do anything. What you need to do is go back to Trexbic and go and click I have paid. Once you click I have paid, you can see now it's saying that monitoring blockchain for payments. So this usually takes a few minutes until the trade has been detected. So let's wait for it to be detected and we proceed. All right, usually it takes about 1 to 2 minutes, so you do not need to worry about anything. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, and never ever click I have paid if you have not paid that vendor. So if I want to talk with the vendor, I'll go here and click chat with vendor, and then I'll tell them to release first. Hi, please release. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the vendor to release this trade. You can see the vendor is online, and the trade has been released, guys. The trade has been released. You can see read this trade. If your payment is detected automatically, the trade is always released automatically. So once the trade is released, guys, remember, if you don't make payment, they will not release. I'm telling you, you'll be wasting time. So once you see it's like this, just know the trade has been released. So the next step is to rate your vendor and put the positive experience, good communication, fast payment, and then submit review. Once the review has been submitted, we can go to trade details here, and you can see the trade is completed, and I'll click now done, and you can see my balance is back to 1,347. Remember, I had 251. So let me show you a simple math. Let me show you a simple math, guys. Simple math is I had 251, I got 1095. You can see it should be 1,400, and yes, because I had some cents, so there it is. So the profit is 95 plus the 51 ahead, 1347, guys. So the next step, I'll click on these three dots. I need now to withdraw. So to withdraw, you just click on these three dots and I'll go back. Then I'll click on crypto wallet here. This is crypto wallet. And then I'll click on withdraw. And I'll now choose a funding wallet where I have the money. And guys, I'll click withdraw maximum amount. No need. I'll just put, let's say I will withdraw 1100. Okay, and then I'll click continue to address. So now I'm going to copy my USDT address, and then I will say put. So I'm going back to my Binance to copy my address. I'll click go back like this, and I'll click add funds, deposit assets, USDT at TRX. I'll copy this address like this, and I'll come back here and then paste. Remember, this is the address that I'm going to receive. This is my address on Binance that I'm going to receive funds. If you want to receive funds, you need to go to your Binance, click on assets. Okay, assets is here, and then you click on add funds is here, right? Add funds like that, and then you click deposit assets, all right, like that, and then you choose USDT, all right, this one, and then you choose the network TRX. This is TRX, right? And then guys, the next step, you copy your address. This is the address for withdrawal, and then like that, and then you copy the address, you go back and paste that address here, paste the address here like this, and then next guys, paste it again here, you paste again, you repeat, and then click on review. And so they will send you a verification code to your email, which you need to put it here. So the next step, I'll go back to my email and check the verification code. So I'm on my email now, guys. I want to look for the verification code, but it's not here. So what I'll do, I'll go just to spam. You can see the verification code is here. So once you see your emails are coming on spam, guys, you need to move your emails to primary. So you just long press like that, and then you move them. You need to mark as important, okay? And also we need to move to primary so that your emails never come on spam. So the verification code is now here. I'll copy it like this, and I'll go back here, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll paste the verification code here, paste like that, and then confirm withdrawal. It's very easy like that. So now the withdrawal is now processing. You can see here the withdrawal is processing. So let's wait for me to receive. You can see the withdrawal fee is 3.5%. I'm going to receive 1061, which is not very bad, guys. Okay, and so guys, you can see the withdrawal is now processing, and they have already given me a Tronscan hash. So I need to click here. Once you click on Tronscan, you can see it's live on the blockchain here. It's on the blockchain, and it's processing. You can see on the blockchain it's already successful, and it's not confirmed yet. So let's wait for it to be confirmed. I'm waiting for it to be confirmed, guys. Once it confirms here, just know the withdrawal is in your Binance already. So guys, you can see these are I just made a profit of a few dollars. It's not like making $2 on Binance, but here I've made almost 50. So I think the withdrawal has been sent. You can see 1100. The receiving amount is 1061 after fees. So I'll go back to my Binance and check whether the withdrawal has been arrived. And if I click on Tronscan again, you can see on Tronscan it's confirmed. So I'll go back to my Binance and check whether the deposit has been confirmed. And you can see now my balance has been updated. So I just received 1061, guys. So that is it, guys. And the profit now is, the total balance is 10,057 on my Binance, which is the equivalent to 1 million Kenyan shillings, 299,864. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. And also, guys, remember, on Trexbic.app you can also trade using AI bots. Here trading bots are here. You can come and then you can choose, like, this is called a Pionex grid bot. You can copy the bot and you can put your stake amount, and then you run the bot and get some profit. You can also trade with the demo. Once you come on, just choose demo. You can test the trading demo with the bot and see the result before you can use real money. All right. Also, guys, remember to also like this video whenever you see it, and also don't forget to come on my TikTok here. Once you come on my TikTok, this is my TikTok, guys, which has millions of views from all over the world. This one is my TikTok. You can see it's called Forex Gold Live Trade. And once you click on this link here, it will take you to my Telegram channel. And once you click it like that, you need to click on these three dots and then you open in browser. And then, guys, it will take you to my Telegram channel community. Just wait here for a second and it will redirect you automatically. And you can see now it's taking me to my Telegram. So guys, just to join my Telegram channel, you just need to come on my TikTok. This is my TikTok account called the Forex Gold Live Trade. What you need to do, you need to come and click on this link here. Once you click on this link, it will take you direct to my Telegram channel. Let me show you. For example, I'll click it like that, and then the next step, you need to click on this one, and I'll click on it, and then I'll choose open in browser. This one here, open in browser, guys. And it will now take me, I'll click on this join Telegram, and then it will take me to my Telegram. So here we are. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, share to others, and see you again in a bit. God bless you. Have a lovely week ahead.